I ended up at Powerco through an internship that I earned during my time at university, studying mechanical engineering at the University of Canterbury. I currently work as a gas network performance engineer in the asset strategy team. So when people want to cook their eggs or have a hot shower in the morning, they can use that energy when and how they want it. In my first year at Powerco, I was awarded a scholarship to join the Australian Renewable Gas Tour. I was lucky enough to meet an inspirational chief executive from one of the other energy companies in New Zealand. I came to find out that he started his career as a network performance engineer as well at a distribution company. So it let me see a pathway forward for me and think big about where I could end up in the future. I can definitely see a future for myself in the energy industry. There's a lot of growth, a lot of innovation to be done, which really inspires me. I love modelling, forecasting, analysing, but I'm also really inspired by some of the senior people in my work and the way they can communicate their ideas effectively and solve big problems. Perhaps I'll end up there one day, but at the moment I think I'll stick in the numbers and see where that gets me.